What is good, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. I'm headed to, I don't think I've gotten 1,000. Since I've gotten the car in January and it's April, I've probably just hit my first 1,000 miles, or a little bit above 1,000 miles. But headed to Maryland, Gaithersburg, I think it's called, something like that, to drop off the M4 to get the new wrap. I probably won't see it for another week. Yeah, so headed to Distinct Don, which is, I'll link his Instagram right here, and I'll also put his information in the description below. So he'll be doing a full livery wrap, and yeah, and it's about to be sick. He's also a sponsor for the build. He's also a sponsor for the build, so definitely shout out to Distinct Don and the work he's about to do for this car. Let me show you guys what it looks like up front. So I've covered it up so that I won't get any rock chips or anything like that. And yeah, I'm pretty sure it's gonna fall off because, well, some of it's gonna fall off. I'm getting gas now. I had to get gas because I was like 25 miles remaining. But I hate driving long distance because it's so freaking long. I'll do like two and a half to 3 hours, but long distance is not my thing. Oh, I hate it so much. Got a lot of bugs up front. A lot. Probably can't see it clearly on the camera, but there's a lot of bugs up here. I mean, the tape held on pretty good, to be honest. Probably this is the only thing that's coming off. I need to get in the camera. The lighting sucks. And then on the other side, it's over here. But that's state on since Columbus. But I'm about to get back to driving and see you guys. I think this is the new Tesla Model Y or something like that. Looks nice though. There go a Rolls Royce Phantom, I think. I'm not big on the names of these. That's clean though. Definitely clean. Oh my goodness. We are here at Distinct Wraps. Those wheels are sick too. So I got my guy here, Don, the guy that's gonna be doing the infamous wrap on the M4. What's good, man? Tell these people what you do here.
So this is Distinct Graphics and Wraps. We do graphics, we do vinyl wraps, we do commercial vehicles as well. For example, for this car, we're doing just a solid color wrap, and then we're doing a few graphic elements on the side.
Right.
This is a color shift. So during install, you have to have each panel facing the correct direction. Otherwise, once you get to the edge for each panel, if it's not going the same direction,
it won't match?
Yeah.
Okay.
It won't match on the edge there. So as you go around the Supra here, you can see every panel, and it hits this corner here. Like everything flows nicely,
right.
It matches perfectly.
So is this something you always do? Take off like the door handles, the lights, the mirrors, all that?
Handles, lights, mirrors, bumpers. And then we do the full wrap, tuck in all the corners.
Right. Wanna know what's crazy? I've seen somebody they wrapped the car, the truck actually, and they pulled the door handle, and they didn't take off the little caps that go around here. Yeah. So when you take off the cap, you can see like the actual body color, right, and see where they cut the wraps and everything.
Oh wow. Yeah, we do that for a full color change.
Right.
We have like a graphic wrap where some things have to line up.
Mm-hmm.
You may not have to take like everything apart as far as the bumpers and stuff.
Right.
It depends on the style of wrap that it is. But usually for a color change, if you're going in depth, you know, to the corners, the creases, everything.
Yeah, it's you can tell like it actually meets where it's supposed to meet at. This is cool. So you're done? Are you done with this one right now?
Almost. We're gonna do some lime green graphics down the side.
Okay.
To match the seat, and then the client is also going to paint the wheels lime green.
Okay.
Just something kind of Fast and Furious, you know.
Right. Yeah, this is super sick. I was telling him I love this seat. What you gonna do with this scat pack over here?
So right now the scat pack is we're going to do a full camo.
Okay.
We're going to do black, satin black, light ivory gloss, matte military green, and then matte metallic brown. We're going to do a sick camo on here, and then on the side we're going to do pearl white. It's going to be a shark mouth.
Oh, like the what do they call that thing again? I forgot the name of the design, but like it has like the shark. Well, not the shark mouth. It has the. Is it an arrow? Not an arrow, a bullet or whatever with the shark mouth.
Well, this one. So the client he saw a lot of people with the shark mouth design, and it's more like I guess the airplane.
That one, yeah.
Fighter jet.
Yeah, the fighter jet. Yeah, that's what it is.
So he said, "Can you do something a little different?" So I was like, "Well, let's just do pearl white." And then the teeth I have is more. It looks more like dinosaur teeth. So
Right.
It's not really.
Okay.
It'll be like a prehistoric shark.
Right.
Thing. So it'll go down the side here, and then we won't have the eye. Like normally with the fighter jet thing, they do the camo with the
Right.
shark mouth and then a little eye right here.
Yeah.
But we're just going to do the shark mouth.
Okay. That's dope. Y'all can follow him at BMoreScat392
Yeah, this is.
to see the finished product.
This is gonna be sick.
Really? Now mine's gotta look better, man. Mine's gotta look better.
For yours, we want to do that gloss sunflower yellow.
Right.
With the racing stripe on the side and the Red Bull logos on the side. It's definitely going to be unique.
Right.
I'm excited to work on that.
Yeah, I can't wait to see it. Like all I need right now is just that front lip, and I mean I'm not a big fan of rear diffusers, but I have a rear diffuser at home. If the sponsor forgets that I have it, I can just keep that for free. But but yeah, that and then exhaust mods. To be honest, other than that, it's ready to go.
Maybe.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, I'll do the tune. I'll do the tune. I just gotta get that crank hub thing fixed. But yeah, that's cool, man. So definitely it's gonna be like another maybe 2 weeks, and we'll see where we're at. Cause I have to be ready for the social distancing rally, and then I can show you wrap off there, and they'll know where to go for better pricing at that, because Ohio, y'all are I want to show them the Infinity though. I want to get that. All right, so we got his Infinity right here with this. Is that the base color? The
so
orange?
The stock color is gloss black.
Okay. Oh, okay, I see right there.
So for this one is a design wrap.
Right.
We did gloss liquid copper up front, satin vampire red, and then I'm in the process of adding satin black to the back.
To the full back?
Yeah, I'm thinking about doing that.
Okay. It's a sick wrap.
And then for the wheels, I have Hand DS07 wheels, 19 by 11s, 19 by 9.5.
Okay.
With 295 in the rear and then 255 in the front.
That's crazy because I'm running 295 30/20 in the rear, but it's by 10.5, and 275 30/20 in the front, and that's by 9.5. So like I was trying to get like a flush look, but I still feel like I can go wider on the rears or throw like a 5mm spacer on it.
Yeah, you got 295. You could probably do 315s or something.
I could, but I feel like it will rub too much. Because once I like squat down on bumps and stuff, it would just rub.
Right. Oh, I forgot to mention too, I got the custom flares on there.
Okay, yeah.
For this one, I actually measured the fenders in the quarter panel.
Right.
Just to get that arch.
Right.
And then when I took the measurement, I looked online and found a set of flares that match exactly.
Are you gonna lower it?
No, I'll probably keep it stock height.
Really?
The last car I had it slammed, and it's, as a daily driver, it
Right,
sucks,
right.
Unless you do air ride, but
I can't do air ride. Like,
for now, just keep it.
I got lowering springs on that, and I feel like I still need to go just a little bit lower because there's still a little wheel gap.
Yeah.
You could check him out here. And then this is also his Instagram, Distinct Raps.
Oh, it's Distinct Dawn.
Oh, Distinct, sorry, my bad. It's Distinct Dawn. Distinct Dawn on IG, and his information will be in the description below. Also with the link to his Instagram and phone number and address for you guys. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and wait for the reveal of the new wrap.